Welcome to another important video if you're an Amazon seller and specifically if you're doing online arbitrage. Now, I'm willing to bet that if you're a beginner seller and you're just starting your journey selling on Amazon, you're highly concerned about the ROI or the profit margin of the products that you are buying and reselling on Amazon. Am I right? As you should be. However, let me tell you about something super important out there. The more you sell on Amazon, meaning the larger the scale of your Amazon business, the more options you start having it. As you notice, I have the Rakuten homepage as my background, and there's a very simple reason for that. Many sellers out there think that the only source of income when you're selling on Amazon is through the ROI or the profit margin that you are getting from selling your products on Amazon. Correct. However, there are many sellers that are selling at a huge scale out there whose main source of income is not from the ROI from the Amazon products that they are selling. And the reason is simple. It's cashback. Cashback from Rakuten, cashback from your credit card company. And if you're also purchasing through discounted gift cards, through that arbitrage as well. And I'm going to explain all of these items that are extremely important. Now, these items really work best with the online arbitrage model. They are not going to work really on retail arbitrage. They are not going to work on wholesale. They really work on online arbitrage, which is what I specialize on because we are using Chrome extensions. And Chrome extensions only work when you are using them when you are buying through a Chrome browser on your computer. So if you're out there shopping at Walmart, this is not going to work. You are not shopping online. If you're ordering from a wholesaler, this is not gonna work because wholesalers, you place an order directly from them, they invoice you, and it's more like an old school way of doing things. And most of them do not have relationships with Rakuten or similar cashback apps. What I pretty much do every day is I go to the Rakuten homepage. This is, by the way, my absolute favorite cashback extension, Rakuten. There are a few other ones like Top Cashback and Be Frugal, but I do like putting all my eggs in one cashback basket, if that makes sense. I like getting one huge check from one company versus spreading myself through different companies. So I do focus most of my cashback coming from Rakuten themselves. So what I like doing is coming to the homepage and looking for the big deals of the day. So what I like doing is coming to the Rakuten homepage and looking for the big deals of the day. As you can see right now, we have 10% cashback for Adidas, 10% cashback for Yeti, 16% cashback from Sam's Club. And this goes on and on. We have 8% cashback on Under Armour and 6% cashback on Rack Room shoes. What this means, to put it simply, it means that if I spend $1,000 on Adidas today, I will get $100 from Rakuten alone. And this will be automatic as long as I break even on my Amazon sales. Let's say I buy $1,000 of inventory and the price tanks, or something is going on with the listing, or Amazon comes in as a competitor and the listing initially was at 25% ROI, but now it's break even or maybe like 2% ROI. And most sellers out there are freaking out and banging their head against the door. I'm not, because I already made $100 from my cashback app, Rakuten. So I'm already up by 10%, even if I break even on Amazon. And Rakuten, by the way, is not the only cashback that you're going to be getting when you're doing online arbitrage. Then you're going to have, if you have an LLC and decent credit score, you will qualify most likely to apply for the Capital One Spark Business credit card, which is exactly the credit card that I've been using since 2014. What's absolutely fantastic about this credit card is that it gives you unlimited 2% cashback on every single purchase. It does have an annual fee of $150 per year, but as you can quickly math out in your head, I show you an example that if I were to spend, as long as I spend $10,000 per year, which most of you guys probably spend this in less than a week, you will get 2% of that, which is $200 cash back from your Capital One, which already puts you at a profit from your annual fee. So as you can see, it's very easy to pile up those cashback points from your credit card and from Rakuten. Now, if you don't have an LLC and you don't qualify for the 2% Spark Business card from Capital One, the other one that I use for my personal expenses, it's the Citibank Double Cash, I believe it is. Citi Double Cash, that's what it's called. Citi Double Cash credit card. And this is, again, if you don't have an LLC and you just want a credit card for personal use. Eventually, I do recommend that you get an LLC if you're serious about selling on Amazon. But if you're just getting started and don't want to miss out on that sweet, sweet cashback, get a 2% cashback on every single purchase with the Citi Double Cash credit card. This is the one that I've been using for like 7 years or so, again, for personal purchases, but you can use it for your Amazon purchases. The way that it works is that they will give you an immediate 1% cashback when you initially purchase, and then once you pay off your balance, they will give you the remaining 1% to add up to a total of 2% cashback on every single purchase, unlimited, just like the Business Spark. Now, if you want to make additional money and you are interested in signing up for the Spark Business credit card, do so through my link, because I believe that now they're having about $1,000 in sign-up bonuses for you. If you're not an existing member, sign up through my link, and then if you do qualify, they will issue you a credit card and you will get an additional amount of money just for signing up. I do believe that they have a mandatory, I don't know, maybe like $3,000 that you need to spend. Don't quote me on that, but an initial amount that you do need to spend within 3 months of getting the credit card, which if you're doing online arbitrage is extremely easy, as you know, to spend a lot of money in 3 months. So make sure to grab your sign-up bonus just for signing up. On the same note, I'm dropping a link on my video description for Rakuten. If you are not already using Rakuten, sign up through my link and you will get an additional, I believe, $40 just for signing up for Rakuten. You do need to spend or accumulate a certain amount of points within the first 90 days with Rakuten. But again, same point, it's extremely easy to do so if you are doing online arbitrage. And that is one of the reasons that online arbitrage is by far my favorite method of selling on Amazon. No wholesale, no retail arbitrage. I just love the ability of sourcing and selling on Amazon from anywhere in the world. Time I go anywhere in the world from my computer, I find products, I use my cashback extensions, my credit card points, and I rack up those profits from multiple incomes, from the profit that I get from Amazon, from the profit that I get from my credit card, and from the profit that I get from Rakuten. Lastly, a service that I use A lot is Arbitrage card. If you haven't used it, I'm also dropping a link on my video description so you can sign up. The way it works, it's discounted gift cards. So in addition to Rakuten, in addition to your credit card points, you use their service to, let's say, for example, buy a Lowe's gift card. So you go and you buy a $1,000 Lowe's gift card, but you don't pay $1,000. You pay, let's say, $950. So you get it at maybe 5% discount. So just by buying a gift card at a discount, you are making some money there. So again, if you buy a $1,000 gift card, but you are only paying $950, you just made 50 bananas, $50 a go for you. And then once you use that gift card to make your purchases while you're using Rakuten, and by the way, you buy the gift card using your credit card, so you don't miss out on your credit card cashback. So as you see, we have Rakuten cashback, we have credit card cashback, and we have arbitrage card discounts. So now you have 3 sources of income that many sellers don't even use. And then you add the big boy. Who's the big boy? Your sales on Amazon. So even if you are, let's say, at a 5% ROI, even if you're at a break even, you're still making a ton of money. And this is absolutely my love declaration for online arbitrage and why I love it so much, because it opens the door to multiple sources of income within the same business. Anyway, I hope this video was extremely helpful. I am going to leave you with another video. By the way, if you are looking for online arbitrage leads, I have my own OA leads that I source every morning. I'm dropping a link in the video description if you want to try them out and receive my OA leads every single day in your inbox. And also make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing news about selling on Amazon. See you next time, and keep up the good work.